Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Have you ever wondered if there's a more efficient way to clean between your teeth? Traditional flossing can be tricky for some, and that's where interdental brushes come into play. Today, I'm reviewing a product that could be a game changer for your oral hygiene routine, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills. These refills are designed to make cleaning between your teeth simpler and more effective. Stick around, and I'll share everything you need to know before you make your next purchase. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. Your support helps us bring you honest insights like this one. Now, let's talk about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills. These are soft-bristled dental picks, specially crafted to slide between your teeth, getting rid of plaque and food particles that your toothbrush can't quite reach. They come in a pack of 6, with each set containing 8 individual refills. Compatible with the GUM permanent handle and the GUM dual-ended handle, these refills make the process of keeping your teeth clean incredibly convenient. Plus, they're treated with a hygienic solution that lasts for up to 10 days, giving you long-lasting effectiveness with each brush. The bristles are soft yet durable, providing gentle cleaning between wide interdental spaces. They are especially handy for people with braces, implants, or other dental appliances. One of the standout features is the nylon-coated wire, which ensures that the brushes won't scratch or cause any discomfort when cleaning around fixtures or braces. In real-world use, I found that incorporating these into my daily routine was seamless. Whether used in the morning or evening, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens provided an easy and effective way to clean those hard-to-reach spaces. I noticed less plaque buildup and a noticeable improvement in the overall cleanliness of my teeth after using them consistently. Of course, no product is without its pros and cons. Pros: the soft bristles offer a gentle yet effective clean. The hygienic solution treatment makes these brushes last longer, up to 10 days. They are designed for comfort even around braces and other dental devices. Easy to use with the GUM permanent handle or the dual-ended handle. The wide design is perfect for those with larger interdental spaces. Cons: these may not be ideal for those with tighter spaces between teeth, as the wide size may be a bit too large. If you don't already own the GUM handle, you'll need to purchase that separately to use these refills. Now let's talk about the value for money. These refills are priced reasonably considering the effectiveness they offer and the convenience of being able to use them for 10 days. If you're someone who struggles with flossing or has difficulty reaching certain spots with your toothbrush, these refills are definitely worth the investment. However, if you're someone with tighter interdental spaces, you may want to explore the other sizes available, like the tight or moderate options, which might be more appropriate for your needs. Compared to similar products, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens stands out for its wide, soft bristles and its compatibility with GUM handles. It's a practical, easy-to-use option for anyone looking to improve their dental care routine. Plus, with the nylon-coated wire, it provides a scratch-free clean for those with dental devices, setting it apart from other brands that might not offer this level of gentleness. As for build quality, I found these refills to be durable and long-lasting. The hygienic solution treatment is a nice touch, and I appreciate the thoughtfulness of the design. GUM's commitment to providing effective and comfortable dental tools really shines here. Now, mid-review. If you're finding this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest and thorough reviews. And if you're eager to grab these for yourself, the link is in the comments below. When it comes to customer service, GUM has a solid reputation. While I haven't personally interacted with them regarding this product, the brand is well known for its responsiveness and commitment to customer satisfaction. So, if you ever need assistance, you can expect a smooth experience. As far as product updates go, I haven't seen any recent changes to this specific refills pack. The formulation seems to be consistent, and the packaging has remained the same, which is great news for those who appreciate reliability. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, there are some other interdental brushes on the market. However, None seem to offer the same blend of convenience, durability, and specialized design for braces and dental appliances as the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens. If you find this product a bit high-priced, a comparable option may be found in other brands' Interdental brushes, but you may miss out on the quality and long-lasting hygiene benefits that GUM provides. To wrap things up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills are an excellent choice for anyone looking to step up their oral care game. Whether you're dealing with wide interdental spaces or dental appliances like braces, these refills provide an easy, effective, and gentle cleaning solution. If you've already tried the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.